What's going on, guys? It has been a while, and yes, my finger is indeed broken, but that's besides the fact. I've got something pretty cool in the bed of my new truck, actually. We can actually transport stuff like this cool freaking e-scooter here, boys. Look at this cool little contraption. We've got 3 seats on there and even pegs for a passenger. Tiny wheels. But I think today we're gonna go and take it out on a little bit of a ride on this here trail right by the river. Let's go test it out, see what it's all about, and it seems like a pretty cool little thing, doesn't it? All right, cue the B-roll. And we are all ready to go. Look at this dope little, I guess it's a scooter. There's no pedals, it's not an e-bike. Look at that, we've got a kickstand, got a couple of pegs here for your passenger. Nice little rear hub motor. You got dual shocks on the back. You've got some suspension on the front fork as well as a headlight. 3 seats, pretty crazy little contraption here. So I guess we got our keys here. Very simple little display. Let's go and test this bad boy out. Make sure the truck's locked. Always make sure you guys lock your stuff up. All right, look at this little hill here. We're actually gonna go ahead and test it up this hill. I kind of feel like it probably won't make it because it's a pretty big hill, but we're about to find out. Oh, it's doing it. And it's a scooter, so whatever it's got, it's got. If it doesn't make it, you gotta walk it up. There's no pedaling to help. Well, I'm actually fairly impressed with that. We made it up the very steep hill, which is a lot steeper than it looks on camera. Yeah, pretty steep. I wish I could move the seat forward or backwards, but I can't. That's all right. That's probably the fastest I'm gonna get this thing to go. We're going probably like, I don't even know, man. 15 miles an hour. We're not going too fast, we're not going too slow. I'm cruising. Pretty nimble little scooter. I've never actually been down this trail yet, so it's pretty cool to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, burnout. Burnout, boys, burnout. Wonder, can I sit on the back seat here? Oh. We are sitting on the back seat. It's kind of weird, but it's almost more comfortable because I can sit back further. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to stand back up and get on the front seat though. And look at my feet. I'm just sitting, cruising with my broken finger. Oh yeah. Now this is cool, boys. This is cool. All right, so my only complaint so far with the scooter is that the seat is a little bit too far forward and there's not really any adjustment to bring it back. But you can sit on this one. I mean, it works. Look at that. Sit there. Then you're nice further back. It just feels a little bit weird. Your center of balance gets pushed off a little bit, but once you get moving, it's fine. It's completely fine once you get moving. It's actually a lot more comfortable like this. Beautiful day here in Wisconsin along the river. I'm having fun, y'all. Leave me alone. Let me be. Let me cruise. Let's go and do a little bit of off-road action. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. That suspension is working. This thing is freaking dope, but dead end. Usually the water's a lot lower, so you can just go all the way across. But look at that, we came all the way down that. Oh, pretty lucky we didn't hit any bumps, but now it's time to see if we can make it back up. We should be able to, it's feeling like it's gonna do it. Oh my goodness. We got those little tiny knobby tires. It's doing it. It is doing it. Oh yeah, we're cruising. Just absolutely, cruising. Yep. That's right, guys. This thing's freaking sick. Ooh. Oh, snap. You don't want to do that too much. Good brakes. But look at these little tiny knobby tires. They're gonna do it. Got a back fender. Comes with a front fender, but I didn't put it on because I didn't want to. Let's go ahead and sit on the middle seat again. I'm probably gonna end up moving again. You're up a lot higher when you're on the middle seat. A good, I don't know, good foot. We're gonna do another brake test. I'm actually gonna sit back on this seat. Definitely feels better, 100%. Look at that. I wonder who did that. That's pretty cool. It's got a fish. But yeah, take a look at this. The back seat's about like, I don't even know. You can tell it's not really liking my butt right there. Pretty big imprint. Wheelie, oh my goodness. Dude, you can do a freaking wheelie. Wheelie, okay. All right. The throttle response for wheelies, not really there. Can't make it down there. Oh yeah, look at that, boys. Got tons of power there. Burnout. Oh yeah, that is a burnout. I can smell rubber. We're cruising, bird. Get out of our way. Pretty dang sick. Pretty dang sick. The brakes are pretty good. All right, guys. So now we're gonna start up our GPS app, and we're gonna see how fast this thing actually goes. Since there's no speedometer on the bike itself, so there's no way for me to tell how quick it goes. But I'm assuming it's probably like 15 miles an hour or so. I don't think you can unlock it either. Oh yeah. Sorry to tell you, bro, mine's cooler. Okay, guys, so for the max speed, we have 17 miles an hour for the max speed. Top left corner there, 16.8. Let's round it up. Enjoy the nature. Do some off-roading. Oh yeah. It's a little sketchy because the wheels are so small. Turns pretty well, especially for sitting on this back seat. Goes through the grass pretty good. That suspension feels really cushy, feels like a cloud. Even though it's tiny, it's doing the work. Feels so much cooler. Back here, it's like a lowrider. We're flying through the gravel. This is actually a bunch of MTB trails straight up ahead. Oh my goodness. We got a little bit squirrely there. Oh my goodness. Whew. We're good. Look at that. Look at them damn trails. Think we can do it? Can we send it? Is this okay? Am I gonna get yelled at for hitting these damn trails with this scooter? You know what? Scared money don't make money. Yeah, buddy. I'm a professional MTBer. Oh. And it feels like there's some wetness. Oh, whoa. Yeah, dodge that one. Oh. Thank the Lord for good suspension. Oh, good enough suspension. I gotta put my feet out to balance with these tiny. Okay, look at that. It's so tiny I can just turn around like that. We're gonna head back because I don't want to get lost. I don't know where I am. I've never been here before. See, we ain't making no money because we are scared money. See, on a trail like this, you definitely want to sit on that front seat when you're just cruising around flat. Back seat is good enough. You kind of got to lean forward though. Yeah, buddy. We're just freaking, just cruising. What's up, Dad? Bet you wish you were me right now. Cruising on my scoot. Also, we've got our horn. We've got right turn blinker. We got left turn blinker, but the blinker is only on the back of the scoot. Oh my goodness, this hill is terrifying. Okay, so to make it up hills like this, little cheat code, you gotta kind of swerve like that if you're not gonna make it, or else you're not gonna make it going up straight. Let's see, that works. All right, let's go. No motor vehicles. This ain't a motor, this is a scooter. I prefer if it went like 30 or 40 miles an hour, but it doesn't. But you know, it's doing the job. It is doing the job. Normies. This is my trail. My trail. We're making it up this one too. I'm gonna try to go straight up it. Are we gonna make it? And I'm actually pretty shocked that we made it up that hill. Just barely. This thing is freaking cool, guys. So, who is this scooter for? Really, anyone that just wants something to cruise around on and have fun on. I had a lot of fun riding around on the scooter. I think it's pretty dang cool. You've got suspension on the front, suspension on the back, and we still have a lot of battery left on it, so we could have went a lot longer. It's pretty cool. If you guys want to grab one of these for yourselves, I got a link down in the description. Even if it's just for your kid, for going to school. I don't know if that's legal or not, but your kid would love one of these. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.